We all love going on holiday, but these two words can cause problems. So a journey is a noun and refers to a single piece of travel. So when you move from one place to another by car, plane, train, bus, the journey to London takes 3 hours by bus. A trip is also a noun, but usually refers to more than one journey and the time you spend in a place. So if someone asks, "How was your trip?" they're asking about the whole time you are away, not the journey.
How was your camping trip, Sian?
It was fun, but it rained all weekend. A trip is often quite short compared to a holiday, and we can use it in these set phrases. So you can have a business trip, a school trip, or a day trip.